Lucas and Emily are having a casual but thoughtful conversation about politics in the United States, whether they trust politicians, and the importance of voting and democracy.
Hey, Lucas. Do you follow politics in the US?
Yes, a little. To be honest, sometimes it frustrates me, but I try to stay informed. What about you?
I feel the same. I don't like politics too much, but I think it's important to know what's going on in the country.
Exactly. Even if we don't like it, politics affects everything: our schools, jobs, healthcare, and more.
True. Do you think most politicians are honest?
That's a tough question. I think some are, but many just care about power and money. What do you think?
I agree. It's hard to trust them, especially when they make promises and don't keep them.
Yeah, but do you think you'd ever want to be president of the United States someday?
No, thank you. Too much pressure. And you?
Maybe just for one day, to see how it feels. But seriously, it's a big responsibility.
Very true. Being president means making huge decisions that affect millions of people.
Right. That's why it's important for citizens to be involved in politics, at least by voting.
Yes, voting is so important. It's both a right and a duty in a democratic country.
Exactly. When we vote, we help decide who will lead the country and make the laws.
And if people don't vote, they lose their chance to make their voices heard.
That's the problem. When many people stay home on election day, the results don't represent everyone's opinion.
Right. And sometimes the people who vote the most are the ones who already have power or money.
That's why young people and working-class voters should also vote. We all need to be part of the democratic process.
Totally agree. And voting is not just for the presidential election. Local elections are also super important.
Yes, local leaders affect our communities directly, like schools, roads, and safety.
Do you always vote in the elections?
I do. Even if I don't like the candidates 100%, I still choose the one I think is best for the country.
That's a good mindset. Nobody's perfect, but staying silent doesn't help either.
Exactly. Democracy only works when people participate.
I hope more people understand that. It's not just a right, it's a responsibility.
Well said, Emily. Let's keep encouraging others to register and vote.
Definitely. Our votes matter, now more than ever.